Welcome to the training module on the SOLARLOK connector system. This training module introduces the SOLARLOK connector system for easy and reliable interconnections from photovoltaic modules to DC to AC converters. It is a fact that non-renewable resources are becoming scarce. That is why sun, wind, and ocean water power are now making a comeback. In recent years, solar energy has become one of the most popular forms of energies. Solar power is produced by collecting sunlight and converting it into electricity. This is done by using solar panels, which are large flat panels made up of many individual solar cells. There are two types of solar cell technologies most commonly used: crystalline silicon and thin films. Tyco Electronics' SOLARLOK product portfolio delivers a flexible solution for the interconnection of crystalline and thin film modules used in rack-mounted, shingle, tile, and BIPV applications. The entire system concept is based on cost-effective and reliable processing of individual interconnection system components. This significantly reduces installation costs of the solar energy system. The whole product portfolio includes a solar junction box, solar collector, safety clip, solar cable, and cable coupler. The junction box concept is based on a flexible open system structure which allows serial as well as parallel interconnection via direct wire connect or separate connectors. Within the junction box, up to 6 termination place rails are available for photovoltaic foil connection. In order to meet the harsh environmental conditions typical of photovoltaic installations, the flexible dual-wall, halogen-free, and cross-linked solar wire offers long-term stability with TUV UL approval. Its outstanding features include high resistance against environmental conditions such as humidity, UV radiation, and ozone. In addition, it has excellent resistance to abrasion and temperature extremes. The wire has a high dielectric withstanding voltage, and due to its fine-stranded, tin-plated copper conductor, it is easy to handle, bend, route, and to strip. The design of the male and female receptacle for the junction box and the DC to AC converter follow the cable coupler click philosophy for quick and secure mating even in difficult mounting positions. The SOLARLOK male and female cable coupler were designed for high voltage and high current carrying capacity in addition to the well-established IP67 sealing requirement in the photovoltaic industry. Mating safety is provided by polarity keyed housings, fully shrouded high cycle life contacts, and a squeeze-to-release connection system. In addition, a wide temperature range and fulfillment of worldwide standards for photovoltaic connection systems complement the robust product specification. The polarity color code and keyed housing prevent the SOLARLOK connectors from being mismatched. From the figure, the positive connector has a plus sign molded on and a red ring on the female connector. A negative connector has a minus sign molded on and a blue ring on the female connector. The assembly procedures for the SOLARLOK contacts and connectors only need 5 steps. Insert the wire with contact directly into the pre-assembled connector. It is a simple procedure to strip, then crimp the wire, and then snap the contact into the housing. The assembly is complete by turning the nut tight. Connecting modules in series is the most common choice. Since the SOLARLOK connectors are polarized, you cannot plug a negative male connector into a positive female connector, nor a positive male to a negative female. Neutral designated connectors incorporate no keying features and may be freely mated to either the plus or minus keyed plug connectors. The neutral product should not be used when maintaining polarity is critical. It is only permitted for serial connections.